Building proper custom cabinets is vital for any kitchen. We can decide the design or the look of the kitchen depending on the custom cabinets. So, we should be careful when we are planning to install custom cabinets in our kitchen, as once the custom cabinet has been installed it is very difficult to remove. Cabinets are basically of three kinds, namely custom, semi-custom and stock. The cost of the cabinets also vary according to the way it has been built and the materials used. In the case of custom cabinets, we design the cabinets according to our specifications and our needs. It is usually the user who designs the look and the material to be used for the custom cabinets. Most custom cabinets are either made out of birch and ash, but carpenters make the custom cabinets depending on the budget and taste of the client. If you are planning to use your own carpenter, make sure that you work out the costs of the materials and the labor charge. When the custom cabinets are ready, there will be a requirement that the contractor installs the custom cabinets. So you need to take into account the contractor's charges for installation. If you do not want to spend too much, then your existing custom cabinets can be given a new look by giving them a fresh coat of paint or by using trim molding. You can even try and alter the hardware of the custom cabinet. Putting a sleek and trendy doorknob can change the look of the entire cabinet.